Hello! Welcome to my channel, Lucifer. Code with ease. Today's topic is social media icon. Let's start with the HTML code. Let me select HTML language. This is the basic code for the HTML web page. Add a CS link for icons in the head tag. Create a division with a container class name. Now add an anchor tag with button class. Now add icon. I'm entering Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, and YouTube icons. This is it for the HTML code. Now let's run the code. Now let's add style to it. Now let's start with CSS Code. Just select the CSS option and start adding style sheet. First, give the body a background color. Let's say a dark blue color. Now let's start styling the container class. Then add position absolute and top 50%, left 50%, and enter transform value as translate minus 50%. This will arrange every component in the center of the body. Add the width of 90%. Add max width of 1200 pixels. Align the text in the center. Now style container class with button class. And display it in inline block style. Add the width of 50 pixels and height 50 pixels and add white background color. Now add a box shadow 0 pixels, 5 pixels, 15 pixels, minus 5 pixels with gray color. Add margin 10 pixels. And add border radius 30%. Set overflow to hidden. Add relative position. Give it an aqua color. Now style container class with button class with iTag. Add relative position. Set Z index to 4. Add line height of 50 pixels and font size of 25 pixels. Add a transition of 0.2 seconds with an ease in-out transition. Now style container class with button class before any insertion. Add content with null values. Then add position absolute. Add the width of 120% and height 120%. Now add background linear gradient with 2 colors. That is a light blue and a blue color. Transform it in 45 degrees rotations. Left 110%. Top 90%. Now style container class with button class with a hover effect with iTag. Add white color. Transform to scale 1.3. Now style container class with button class with a hover effect before any insertion. Add animation of on hover of 0.7 seconds. Left minus 10%. Top minus 10%. Now create animation on hover with 3 layers of 0%, 50%, and 100%. Add left minus 110%. Top minus 10%. On 0%. At left 10%, top minus 30%, on 50%. At left minus 10%, top minus 10%, on 100%. This is it for the CSS code. Now let's run the code. This is the end product of the whole code. Enjoy the code. Do share this video with your friends. Check this out.